Alright, I'm back at you. I'm in the subway now. And damn if I ain't on the wrong side of the track. Alright, I'm gonna have to go back up. This happens when I get in a hurry. Probably gonna miss my train now. There it is, I think. That's my train, 612. Yeah. That's what happens. Getting too much of a hurry. That's the train I'm supposed to be on. Oh well, I guess I'll be waiting for the next one. Cause you gotta follow these signs right here. Sometimes I get in too much of a hurry and not pay attention. Supposed to be on track 3 for Soyosan and Incheon. Well, didn't work out this morning, and that was my 612 train. So now I gotta wait for like the 6:30. But again, that's what you get. I try to hit the 612 because that puts me in good timing for work. So now I'm gonna go back up here. I'm gonna pay attention to what I'm doing. It's happened before because these escalators look identical. Yeah, see over here where they're going down. Oh boy. Tracks 3 and 4. Right here. So again, my bad. And tracks 3 and 4 like that. So I guess you gotta pay attention. But it's okay, I'm not late. Well, I won't be late for work. I won't be late for work, but then I gotta check the app again in a minute to see what time the next one comes. And it'll probably be around 6:20. Had I hit the right timing, I would be on the train right now. But that's what happens. Number 3 is to my left here. So no biggie. I mean, I live here and I ride the train every day. So eventually I'll have it figured out. And I did have it figured out, but I just went through the turnstile and dove down the first escalator I came to, which it was a mistake because now I'm not on the train. I used to walk down toward the end. Walk down toward the end of the train because when I get off on my stops where I work at, then we're closer to the main terminal. So when you come outside of the train, nice little Korean drinks there. They definitely taste different than the American flavors. And I think, in my opinion, the Korean flavors don't have all that added extra sugar. Because it definitely tastes different. To me, it tastes like in America what our diet drinks would taste like. And again, that's not a bad thing. Because if they tried our drink or our American version of the drink, it would taste different to them. So that's probably why most Koreans are way skinnier than me, which is fine. So maybe if I eat their food and drink their versions of the soft drinks, then maybe I'll lose a little, which I could stand to do. But definitely walking certainly helps. Let's see here. This is the train right here. That one's heading to Seoul. So again, one time, not paying attention, I got on this train, and it definitely didn't look familiar to me. And I was like, oh, I'm going the wrong way. So I had to go up 2 stops, get off, wait for the next train going the other way, and got on and finally made it to work. All right, well, I'm gonna have to shut it off right at the moment because I need to look on the app, see what time my train comes. All right, thanks.